Please find attached the concept behind the leadership stroke trust portal analysis system. A leadership portal refers to a single site, say my site, of which it needs to obtain banner headline information, which will consist of a number of stats, data from several systems, all brought together within a set criteria of each element. The elements or the modules will cover finance, results, staffing, assets, pupil characteristics and attitude to learning. The global trust analysis addresses exactly the same banner headline information, criteria and stats for all the elements. The only difference is it collates this across many sites. So my site and many other sites bring the identical data together through a central portal. If we take the leadership my site attitude for learning element, this is a single site. You have an attitude to learning page, set criteria which will be defined within the project design document. The stats will be uploaded or entered on a weekly basis, so there'll be a date and time stamp and an expectation from my site and all the other sites, and data will be entered in weekly, which will enable a data trend to be visible by the leadership team on the particular site, and this information to be shared at a trust level. The cells can be traffic lighted to indicate good, bad or indifferent. These will be set within each module within the program configuration details. If we take the trust analysis, which is the global view across all the sites for this attitude to learning module, you have the same attitude to learning page. The static element here is a week commencing, which has to be fixed because a number of sites will be contributing. The criteria is exactly the same as it is on every site, therefore we've got continuity, conformity and accurate data that can be compared. And if we get stats from site AA, stats from site GA and NA, we then can build an overall trust or family group stats based on the criteria that's being fed from the sites. The trust stats for this example is simply AA plus GA plus NA gives the global stats of this element as part of the global trust analysis program. The week commencing enables us to go backwards, forwards, and because it is a static page, for refreshing we need to consider that all we change is the data within the cells to improve refresh time. Okay, that's the end of the overall concept of one of the modules. The detailed program configuration files will be uploaded through Jing. Cheers. Sign off, Mike.